Hey y'all, I'm creeping around behind the tobacco store in Dollar General area. This is where I do my naturing. But aren't they? Oh, let me get out of the way. Aren't they pretty? My goodness, they are. I found these last year, like in a weird place. See, and I still think that's some kind of berry bush. Got stickers all over it. Oh, and you know, like that's the most vibrant daggum green, and it's such delicate grass, you know. And here's that crazy cool moss. Love it, love it. And what else was? Oh, where was it? Oh, here we go. See a little. Anyway, so train's here. I hear Stand By Me playing in my head, looking through the trees at the train. You know, Arkansas has got its own Boys on the Tracks true crime thing, horrible, tragic thing. That's as many details as you're getting from me. Alright, I'll be still. Oh God, that made me dizzy. Ooh, big tanker truck. That's cool. Yeah, our dumpster's purple. Cool, right?